I'm at T-2 days until I move, and so I have this problem. If you've been watching for a long time, you would remember that I had this metal shed and I really hated it because I always used to bump my head on it. But it housed all this material, for lack of a better place. It's almost over. Moving is difficult, but one down and one to go. I hope to make a video about moving that thing, but it's not going to be easy. Editor's note. I just wanted to make this video to thank you for the overwhelmingly supportive response that I got. I'm just uploading footage now. The video that I just made, this gets plugged into your brain. And now you're connected to this thing, and by a series of cables and electronic innovations and inventions that I don't fully understand, you are in there somehow. Okay, so I'm moving and I'm a mess, but I wanted to thank you for the wonderfully kind response that I had to the video that I just posted. It was I don't know, it was long and rambly, and I really got some positive feedback from it. And so I appreciate your support, and I appreciate your good wishes, and I am doing the best I can to make some type of entertaining narrative as this all goes on. Okay, back to whatever I filmed. I just wanted to let you know that I have a build video coming out for my main channel. It's this, that's the model for it. It's a workbench that's the same size as this. You should like it. It's like a half-hour special, but it's all good footage. It's not just me droning on. It's pretty good. Disarray just doesn't quite capture it. I'm at maximum capacity. So 2 more days and then I can start moving. I sold my couch. Okay, so that's the point of no return. At this point, your commitment is beyond question. I mean, no couch. We're going to consolidate. We never liked having 2 living rooms, so we're only going to have 1 now. Oh, but this is important. I want to ask you. Oh wait, diversion. Look at that. Remember Crash Bandicoot? Somebody sent me that. How awesome is it? I got this on Craigslist. I really don't have time for this sort of diversion, but I couldn't pass it up. It was only $25 and it's pretty incredible. It came with, it's a surround system, so there's a left and a right speaker and a left and a right surround, and then it has a center channel and a subwoofer. I tried to hook it up last night just to get it to make some sound, and it sounds beautiful. It works. $25. Okay, so what's the purpose here? I want to put it in my new shop because the new shop is going to be enormous, and this is what I've been using. And here's my question to you. Before all of this goes into a box, I'll have time to read some of your responses to this. I use flash drives. I just stick them in this thing, and that's how I listen to music on this. But I really want to do it with that. Now, I don't want to plug in flash drives into another device, say like an Xbox or something that would require a monitor. I need something simple like this that has a little simple menu. But ideally, it would be nice if I could just maybe export the audio from, I don't think you can use an earphone jack, but if I could get the audio from this to that, it would be wonderful. So if you have any ideas for simple solutions, please share them with me. I'm kind of at a loss and my head is swimming in lots of problems at the moment. So as you can imagine, I am crazy busy. I want to get a little cap for over the truck because I have a drive that's something like an hour, and all the back and forth moving puts anything that I have in the bed of the truck at high risk of getting rained on. So it might not be the ideal truck cap, but I'm going to get whatever I can find secondhand. I look forward to showing you the new shop soon, but I'm going to use the next couple days to prepare. Busy, busy, busy. Wish me luck. How about that? Yesterday was a productive day, and I sorted out this problem too, and you won't believe how. Talk about a needle in a haystack. Okay, so the wire goes in, believe it or not, into where the earphone things go. And then you just put it in as a line out. Not bad, right? I mean, how simple can it be? Audio quality? It seems like, on my files that are MP3s that have like a 320 kilobyte per second quality, they seem to sound pretty good. So, does it rival CD quality? Probably. And I'm not one of those weirdo audiophiles anyways. Okay, I gotta go.